In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Facebook page name. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so your page's name reflects your brand or project perfectly. Start on your Facebook page, not your personal profile. On the page, press your profile image or profile switcher at the top to make sure you're acting as the page. This ensures you see the page tools and options, not your personal settings. If you're on mobile, the layout may look a little different, but the labels are the same. Next, open Manage Page and head into Settings. On desktop, you'll typically find settings via the left sidebar or a small gear icon. This is your control center for everything related to how your page looks and behaves, so it's the right place for identity changes like your name. Inside Settings, go to Audience and Visibility, then select Page Setup. This section groups the foundational details of your page, including how it's presented publicly. Think of it as the hub for your page's basic identity, so it makes sense that the name option lives here. Now click Name. Here you'll see your current page name and a place to make changes. Before you edit, consider Facebook's general naming guidelines. Choose a name that accurately represents your business or community, avoid special characters or excessive punctuation, and keep it clear and professional. A concise, recognizable name helps people find and trust your page. In the general page settings, press Edit to change the name. Type the new name exactly as you want it to appear. Double check spelling, capitalization, and spacing, and make sure it matches your other branding, like your website and other social profiles. If you rebranded recently, consistency across platforms helps your audience recognize you instantly. When you're happy with it, confirm the change. In many cases, Facebook may review your request to ensure it meets their policies. Reviews usually don't take long, but the timing can vary. You may also see limits on how often you can change the name, so try to get it right the first time. If you don't see the name option, it could be due to your access level or page version. Make sure you're using the page, not your personal profile, and that you have the appropriate permissions. Switching to desktop or refreshing can also help surface the correct menus. That's it. You've navigated to your page, opened Manage Page Settings, gone into Audience and Visibility, selected Page Setup, clicked Name, and edited it in General Page Settings. Save your change, give it a moment if a review is needed, and your new page name will go live.